Easy Patch 11 FS, Fast Set Underwater or Above Water Bead Plaster Repair. Available in 1 pound, 3 pound, 10 pound, and 50 pound sizes. Specifically designed for underwater or fast above water bead plaster repairs. Also the best for cold weather repairs. Available in many colors. Put the dry material needed into a bucket. Add water to Easy Patch 11 Fast Set and mix thoroughly to the consistency of stiff mashed potatoes. Now check material stiffness about every 30 seconds. Warm water will accelerate the set time, whereas cold water will retard the set time. The material will usually start to stiffen in approximately 3 to 5 minutes. When you detect that the material is starting to stiffen, immediately place in a plastic baggie or in your hand and apply to the area to be repaired. On larger areas, you will usually mix and apply more than one application. Now it is stiff enough to be used underwater. Apply the material firmly to the area to be repaired. trowel upwards and sideways. Make sure you remove any excess material so that the repair material is flush and level with the surrounding area. Make sure the edges are fully filled with the material. Lightly sponging off some of the cement material reveals the beads. Make sure to only remove as much as needed to match the surrounding area.